I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: an active Sportybet account, verified phone, and any KYC done. Once logged in, go straight to the wallet area. This saves time and avoids errors. Make sure you copy the gift code exactly from your message. Small typos break redemption. If you use the app, stay on the latest version so fields match. Why do this first? Because proper login and clean code input prevent failed claims and speed up the whole process. You now redeem the gift. Navigate to wallet, then redeem gift or promo code. Paste the code and double-check expiration and characters before you confirm, because the platform validates exactly. Once you hit redeem, watch for the on-screen confirmation and the balance update. If you don't see it, check transaction history. Also read the attached terms. Some gifts split into bonus and withdrawable cash or have wagering needs, so you know how much you can withdraw later and why. You finish by using the gifted balance on eligible bets that meet the stated odds and rollover terms. This is how bonus becomes withdrawable. Once wagering is met, request withdrawal to your saved bank or e-wallet and confirm identity prompts. If something goes wrong, like a rejected code, don't panic. Retry paste, clear app cache, or use the web version, and if still failing, contact support with the exact code and a screenshot. That gives the fastest resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.